Hello dear children. Now as we had stopped in page number 31, now we are in page number 32. Okay, page number 32 is based on some writing skills. Okay, it also has some active and passive voice related task. Answer is also given in this slide which I am showing you. But active passive voice is one of the deleted portion if you remember. Okay. But still we have another another topic as active and passive voice in your Madhuban book. Okay, so we will do cover it later because it needs a detailed explanation, but this writing section is quite important. Okay, why is this important? Because you have to write something based on your knowledge. Okay, now this section is all about diary entry. What is it? It is all about diary entry. How to write a diary? It is very simple way. Okay, I'll explain you how to write a diary. Okay, and you will just observe how to just begin a diary. Okay, it's not that difficult. The section tells you that this particular section belongs to speaking and writing. It means you need to read it. Okay, talk about something, and writing means to write about a topic. Okay, so what does the first question of speaking and writing suggest you? Suppose you are one of the volunteers who went to Andaman and Nicobar Islands for relief work after the tsunami. What do you understand by this line? Just imagine that you are a person who is going to help the people who had suffered in a tsunami in Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, just imagine आप जाके उनको मदद करने वाले जिन लोगों को सुनामी से खतरा हो गया. Means they have lost their property, they have lost their relatives, they don't have food to eat. So if they are suffering from such things, then what you need to do, you work in the relief camps. Okay, the camps where the people help the others. Okay, distributing food, water and medicine among the victims. Okay, victims means जिन लोगों को तकलीफ हुई. You listen to the various stories of bravery of ordinary people. Okay, now what you do, you just listen. You need to listen to the stories of bravery. Stories of bravery means the people who saved someone else's life. Okay, you must have listened to the story of such people. Okay, of ordinary people, even as they fight against odds to bring about some semblance of normalcy in their lives. Okay, semblance of normalcy, what do you understand by this particular word? Semblance and normalcy means converting their life into back on track, means again they will just start living a normal lives. Okay, you admire their grit and determination. Okay, you will definitely, when you just see the life of the people who have helped others, so what will happen in that case? You will feel proud to know about them. Okay, you will admire them. Okay, write a diary entry. Now just feel that you are one of such volunteers who is helping the others, and you need to make a diary entry. Okay, this is how simply you need to give a, don't write dear diary or something like that. Just give in the left side corner of the page, what will you mention? 31st of December 2004. Okay, just imagine as the incident happened in 2004, that is the reason the date should be mentioned. Sometimes people can write day also in the corner, Monday, Tuesday, just you can mention in this corner date and in this corner the day. Okay, so but don't write day, day is equal to Monday, and date date is equals to 31 December 2004. Don't write it, just simply mention the date and day. Okay, the killer tsunami struck these islands 5 days ago. इसको आइसलैंड कोई नहीं पड़ेगा, आइसलैंड नहीं, दिस इज आइलैंड. ओके, एस इज साइलेंट, this S is silent. Okay, but the victims were being brought in. Even now each one has a story to tell. So okay, so this is the beginning line of the diary entry, and you are sharing your experience. So opening line is already given by the book. Okay, in the book. Now you need to just continue the story. What you need to do, you need to just continue the story. The killer tsunami struck this island 5 days ago, but the victims are being brought in. Even now each one has a story to tell. Now what will you do? You will just answer it. What will you do? The killer tsunami struck this island 5 days ago, but the victims are brought. Even now each one has a story to tell. Now here the question ended, and here the answer begins. Their stories are hair raising as well as heartening or inspiring. Okay, hair raising means goosebumps जो आते हैं, रोंगटे खड़े होने वाली. जो स्टोरी होती है, दैट इज़ हेयर रेजिंग, गूज बम्स, कॉजेज द गूज बम्स. ओके, हार्टनिंग और इंस्पायरिंग. ओके, हार्टनिंग मीन्स दिल को छू लेने वाली, मीन्स हार्ट टचिंग, and inspiring also. Inspiring means motivational also, if they have saved someone's life. Many were determined to start a new life. Many were determined to start a new life. Means determined means they decided that they should start their new life because they cannot be in the same dilemma that they have lost their family. उनके साथ ऐसा हो गया, डैमेज हो गया. Okay, they have got their properties damaged, they have lost their beloved ones, they saw their beloved ones died in front of their eyes. So many were determined to start a new life. They don't want to stay in the camp for long. They feel small because living on charity was disgraceful. Okay, they started feeling small because living in charity, charity मतलब दान में मिले हुई चीज़, something which you receive by help, okay, from an unknown person, that is known as charity. Okay, so that is disgraceful. Disgraceful means that is against their dignity, that is against their dignity. They don't like to be a part of a group where they receive an amount in free. फ्री में मिली हुई चीज़ें लेना उनको पसंद नहीं. ऐसे भी कुछ लोग थे. It means that most of them want to return to their cottages which are no more there. Okay, so what did you see there? This is just a basic answer. Okay, आप अपने मन से और चीज़ें ऐड कर सकते हो. Okay, so cottages means people where they stay in a tent or something like that, or places in any tourist place can have a cottage. Okay, cottage means a kind of hut and which is very big, and in it there is a lot of space to stay, and the tourists can enjoy. Okay, the tourists can enjoy, which are no more there. So the cottages were not there, and to get a fishing boat to earn their livelihood. Okay, so they started moving back to their places to just see how the things are. Okay, are the things still there? One woman, though old, recalled how she had saved a child from drowning. Okay, one woman, though old, recalled how she had saved a child from drowning. Okay, this is just a general idea to write a diary. So while writing the answer, what shall you do? What will you do? You will have to just write the date, and after that you will write from here to here. This is how a diary entry can end in short. Okay, but it can be written in 1 or 1.5 page also. Okay, the diary can be written in 1 or 1.5 page, but the main content of the diary is this. Means the date should be mentioned, and the day can also be mentioned somewhere here. And answer, don't write this and then answer, don't write in that way, but write from here till here. Okay, this is all about diary entry. Okay, so what is the question 2? Let's see. The story shows how a little girl saved lives of many tourists when tsunami struck. Okay, the beach, struck the beach. Thanks to the geography lesson that she had learnt at school, she remembered the visuals of a tsunami and warned her parents. Okay, she also warned her parents because she had seen visuals of the tsunami by her which was shown by her geography teacher. So the question is, do you remember any incident when something that you learned in the classroom helped you in some way outside the classroom? Okay, till your standard 8, when you were in standard 8, did you see anything which helped you to remember and do something very important? Okay, ऐसा कोई चीज़ है जो आपने स्कूल में समझा, जैसे वो बच्ची ने समझा था इन geography lesson to save someone's life. Okay, that is the question. Write your experiences in a paragraph of about 90-100 words or narrate it to the whole class like an anecdote. As because you are not sitting in the class, okay, as you are not sitting in the class, you cannot just share your experience in the class, but you can at least try attempting it at home. Okay, so you need to just attempt that particular thing. And also I am sharing some short answer type additional questions with you. Okay, additional questions with you. What is a tsunami? When did it hit so many countries and sea coasts? The tsunami is a very large and powerful wave. It is caused by earthquake under the sea. The deadly tsunami hit Thailand, India and the Andaman Island on 26 December 2004. Okay, so this is how the answer is given. Powerful wave. Okay, such words are also there. There are unique words also. Apart from that, the second question is, do animals get foreknowledge of the tsunami coming? Foreknowledge means prediction. We have already discussed. Foreknowledge means prediction. Means just trying to sense something which is not happened but going to happen. अब तक वो चीज़ हुई नहीं है बट होने वाली है, वो चीज़ को वो समझ लेते जानवर. Okay, so is it true? So answer is yes, it is true that animals sense the coming disaster earlier than human beings. Okay, it became evident in 2004. The tsunami killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but very few animals were reported dead. Okay, so buffaloes, goats and dogs remained unharmed, so did elephants and leopards. Okay, they ran away to higher places to save their lives. Okay, this is how this is all about. Second additional question. Okay, second additional question. Okay, now as you can see what is here, there are. So here we go with question number 3. Who was Ignatius? Why did he put his television down, okay, on the ground from the table? Okay, so he had done something very weird because he had put his television down on the ground from the table because he wanted to save his television, right? We have discussed this thing. I think you remember this. Ignatius was the manager of cooperative society in Cachol. Okay, Cachol is a place. When his wife told him about an earthquake, he immediately took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. We had discussed this thing. Okay, and this is question number 4. How did Sanjeev lose his life? Okay, we have already this. There are some unique and long words also. Immediately means suddenly, means at the same time. Okay, unfortunately means bad, luckily. Powerful, you know the meaning of the word powerful. Swept away, this word has come a lot of time. We have discussed the meaning of the word swept away also. Rescue is new word for you. Rescue means jaan bachana, to save someone's life, trying to save someone's life. Okay, so this is all about question number 4, additional question. And the question number 5, what is the view of some experts about the animals? Okay, what is the view of some experts about the animals? Now some experts believe that the animals more, view means point of view, thinking, क्या सोचते हैं animals के बारे में scientists. Okay, some experts believe that animals more acute hearing, they have acute hearing means very sharp knowledge of hearing. Okay, to hear or feel the earth's vibration, they are able to feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. Okay, they can sense means they can just, we have discussed this thing. Okay, they can easily predict that something wrong is going to happen in the nature. Okay, now here are some long answer type questions also. Question number 6. Okay, I suggest that you should take the screenshot of it and you should take the screenshot of all these questions. I'll just scroll it down and you need to pause the video and you can start writing in your notebook also. But there are some there are only 2 long answer type questions. You just take the screenshot of them and you can start writing, but not now. The instructions will be given later. Now the time is for periodic 1. The periodic 1 schedule is already given. You will get the actual worksheets and all, everything for revision. Don't write anything from this lesson now. आपको बाद में लिखने के लिए जब instructions मिलेंगे तब लिखना है. Okay, till the time you can just keep this content with you carefully. And we have completed with the lesson, the tsunami. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.